12 days, 12 tree ornaments. Hello there, it's Paul here and welcome along to day 5 of the tree ornaments, and today is all about snowmen. And I have to say, so far out of the 5 days, these were the quickest and easiest to make. A lot of these I did just basically use the skew chisel for. I think I had to use probably on 1 or 2 of these a spindle gouge as well. But most of these were done with a skew chisel, and the more and more you use it, the quicker things become. As per usual, I've done my usual plain ones. These have all just been finished off, just decorated with some pyrography with my Peter Child's pyrography machine. I've done some with a bit of gold gilt for, say, like the hat, and I've done my usual one with the walnut crystals for the colouring, and then dabbed that with the gold gilt as well. Now, while I was at it, I found a lovely piece of wood I'd got, a piece of olive wood, and I've gone for a straightforward snowman shape there, no decoration. And whereas all these others have been finished in the normal way with the spray lacquer, 2 or 3 coats of spray lacquer, this one, because I had it all spinning up on the lathe and could finish it easily enough, I've given this the Triple E Ultra Shine, and I've got to say I am really impressed with that. And it is actually quite a hefty beast, that one, and it's actually heavier than this one. And this one is all made out of oak. Now, what I've done with this one is I've actually, after I turned the body shape, I then hollowed out the inside as much as I possibly dare, try and get the weight down. For the hat, I did the same as well. That's all hollow in there as well. And again, it's a fun one with the iridescent paints and the glow in the dark paints again. So his buttons are all glow in the dark paints, and he does have a ring on the hat as well. So as I say, these were the quickest ones to do, and you could quite easily knock these out fairly quickly. Now, if you've not been watching all the series so far, day 1 was all about the baubles, day 2 was on the birdhouses, day 3 the bells, day 4 the crackers, and now day 5 the snowmen. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you on day 6.